Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Creatnprocess. This video is normally for sketching. I'm planning to work on a new concept. For that I needed some sketch on leaf plants. Right now I'm just looking for a brush that's perfect for that, for sketching. So I choose this soft one, pen pressure brush, and with that I'm drawing out some leaves. So I was confused which types of leaves to work on, so I first tried out with the rounded leaf. So with that I needed some design with pot, so leaf without flower. This is just the sketching process. So this is just the rough idea, the base that's required. So I'm filling up the whole like bundle of leaves and then adding a pot at the background. And there's some curly effects. So just going on with the flow, what comes in my mind I'm just drawing out right now. And some metal rod stand. Then this false shadow effect and some shades on the background as well. For the second one I was a little confused which leaves to go, so I choose the pointed leaves one. First one was rounded, so I thought why don't you go for some different shape of leaves. So thinking about which way to go was a little difficult. Like I was thinking how and where to draw the leaves, as there's no reference. I checked a few of the reference but it doesn't come out how I feel, so I just thought let's draw some sketches and go along with that. So this is just filling up the empty spaces with the leaves. I wanted the design to be filled. For the concept I needed some filled leaves. I'm adding leaves where I felt like I should add some. Wherever I felt like emptiness, I just added some leaves. I'm just sketching out some depth so that I can know where I should add the depth, shadows and all. So this is just adding shades, more details. And after that I added the rounded rectangular pot at the bottom. And for this I thought of like making a straight supporter and adding a shade along the edges to give that depth, like a little round effect, and at the back stand as well. So these stands are 3 legs, and here I'm adding more drop shadow. Erasing also, that is the effect is remaining good. So I got two options, option 1 and option 2, round leaf or rectangular leaf. Let me know which leaf you prefer. I'll be working on that. And creating cover for the thumbnail. And with the change in the background I just check out which way it goes well. Like thinking the correct color for the text and the background was little challenging for me, and so finally it's done. I'll be using this as a base and working on the new design. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll let you know when the next part of this video will drop. Thank you very much for watching.